Starting a software as a service business requires a strategic approach and meticulous planning. Begin by identifying a market gap or a problem that your SaaS product can solve effectively. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, their needs and preferences. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your product, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. Next, focus on building a minimum viable product that addresses the core needs of your target audience. Collaborate with a skilled team of developers and designers to create a user-friendly and intuitive platform. Simultaneously, establish a strong online presence through website development, social media channels, and content marketing to attract potential customers. As you launch your SaaS business, prioritize customer feedback and continuously iterate on your product to enhance its features and functionalities. Additionally, invest in robust customer support to ensure a positive user experience and foster long-term customer relationships.